During your retirement years, you aspire to enjoy your lifestyle without any financial worries. But with market fluctuations and uncertainties that currently exist around, no investment seems secure. So, how to tackle this situation? How do you secure your retirement fund and future? In this video, let us review Canara HSBC Life Insurance Smart Guaranteed Pension Plan and find out whether this plan helps to secure your future. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Canara HSBC is a non-linked, non-participating individual deferred annuity plan. The main features are flexibility to choose from different premium paying term options. Annuity payouts can be chosen based on your needs, either annual, half-yearly, quarterly, or monthly. Option to choose from multiple annuity options basis your needs. Get guaranteed lifelong income by locking your annuity rate today. Option to choose a deferment period. Through joint life annuity, you can extend the plan benefits to your loved one. Enhance annuity with higher annualized premium. Next, we shall look at the annuity options under Canara HSBC Guaranteed Pension Plan. Option 1, Single Life Annuity with return of premium. Option 2, Single Life Annuity with return of premium on critical illness or accidental, total and permanent disability or death. Option 3, Single Life Annuity. Option 4, Joint Life Annuity with return of premium. Next, we shall look at the benefits under various options. The table here summarizes the benefits during deferment period and after deferment period and annuity payable. Some plan option offer death benefit during deferment period as well as after deferment period, while some option doesn't have the return of premium facility. Thoroughly analyze the options and choose the one that suits you. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Canara HSBC Smart Guaranteed Pension Plan. Advantages: guaranteed additions accrue during the deferment period. You can avail a loan for an amount up to 80% of surrender value. Next, disadvantages: there is no step-up annuity option to beat inflation. Annuity is fully taxable. Here is our final verdict on Canara HSBC Smart Guaranteed Pension Plan. The plan offers individuals a way to save for retirement by allowing them to make periodic contributions over time. It provides a guaranteed income stream during retirement, typically starting at a predetermined age chosen by the investor. The plan consists of two phases, that is the accumulation phase and distribution phase. So this is a long-term investment. It is essentially to consider the fees, surrender charges, and potential limitations associated with the deferred annuities. After the accumulation phase, you can't enjoy the accumulated corpus, that is the lump sum amount. You can't liquidate the corpus for emergency purposes or any other goals. Only annuity is receivable. Also, the annuity is constant throughout your lifetime. The annuity will lose its purchasing power due to inflation. Especially medical inflation is soaring. Keeping all these points in mind, it is better to avoid the Canara HSBC Smart Guaranteed Pension Plan. To enjoy inflation adjusted income, diversify your investment corpus. Debt portion for regular income needs and equity portion for wealth accumulation. If you have any questions regarding the taxation part of debt mutual funds, feel free to read our article on Should you invest in debt mutual fund after 1st April 2023, new taxation. Always avoid ready-made annuity pension plans. Consult a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance and support in navigating retirement planning complexities. A detailed review of Canara HSBC Smart Guaranteed Pension Plan is available as a blog post in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.